Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Ps4 down completely. Press and hold the power button until 2 beeps confirm full shutdown. Once done, connect your DualShock controller to the console with a wired USB cable because wireless won't work in safe mode. Next, prepare a USB drive formatted as FAT32 or XFAT, and place the official Ps4 update file in a folder named Ps4/update, so the system can find it when booting safe mode. Once in safe mode, you'll see a list of options. Choose Update System Software, and then Update from USB storage device so the console reads the file you put on the drive. Make sure you select the correct file in the Ps4/update folder. The system verifies signature integrity before installing. While the update runs, do not disconnect power, eject the USB drive, or press additional buttons, because interrupting this process risks corrupting the system software and creating a deeper restore need. After a successful install, your Ps4 will restart and you should complete any initial prompts. Make sure your apps and trophies sync online. If the update fails, you can rebuild the database from safe mode to fix file system errors that block installation, and then retry the USB update. If problems persist, try a different USB drive or re-download the exact update file. As a last resort, initialize the Ps4 from safe mode, but back up your saved data first to avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.